highly disappointed in the associate prof that is seated there, giving this result. I am from Asaritor, I am from Buguma. In fact, I was not here when collation was going on at the state collation officer here in this hall, because I was in Buguma yesterday monitoring our elections and all that. I was at the collation center at a conference hall in Amaki Square till about some few minutes after 12 midnight. After 12 midnight, when suddenly collation stopped and materials results were taken away with the collation officers and the security team to an unknown destination. We are waiting this morning to see if we will be called, to the collation center for the collation to go on. The only collation that went on was the assembly results, and the governorship wasn't done. So we are waiting for them this morning to see if they will call us. Our collation agents, two of them, Chief Fred Hosford and Tommy Bob, we are all waiting. And we did not get any information. And that old man seated there, because an associate prof, is giving us results of governorship. Now let me also say this, that in the INEC server, if you check, we have 251 units in our territorial local government area, and 176 was uploaded. And so it means 75 units. No election in 75 units. Besides that, and we were waiting for 11 results in Abalama. And they carted away the materials and went and cooked up these results. I went into the INEC server and I saw where the results were mutilated. Where APC in Abalama got 5, PDP got 2, they changed it to 102 mutilated. I have it here on record. And that associate prof seated there is telling us this crap. I want to call the EFCC here. I want to call the EFCC to please probe into all the people that served in this election. Go into the accounts and all that, even if they were paid in dollars and all that. I am calling on the EFCC to probe all the electoral decisions.
Thank you very much.
That served in River State. It is so unfortunate. It is very, very unfortunate and very sad. Very, very sad.
Chief, thank you very much.
So disappointed, the professor in that matter.
Of your view and annoyance. Thank you.
Just after the break, after the Act 2, Scene 4, you know, I told you we were in a drama. Just outside here, this man who calls himself the Assistant EO Operations, I saw him walking in here with 2 of the assembly candidates of PDP being escorted. And when I chatted with my brother, the chief, that they left Asaritor since 12 midnight last night, I begin to wonder from Asaritor to here, how many hours? Perhaps they went to Abuja first before coming here. And then I saw him here with the 2 assembly candidates coming in. It's a shame. Again, sir, when we raised these issues, you said you don't have, it's not within your powers to step down or even suspend this collation. But just now there is a breaking news. Your colleagues in Enugu State and Abia State just did justice because it is PDP losing there. They have suspended elections there and collation. And here we are continuing.
Point of information.
Of all this injustice.
Point of information, please.
This is unfortunate.
Point of
it
information.
is unfortunate.
Let me inform you now. The circumstances surrounding that suspension.
Toggery. The same toggery we are talking about.
No,
the same toggery.
No.
Hijack. The same toggery and hijack.
No.
First Okoye signed the memo. The same toggery and hijack.
We're coming up. That from outside, even the formation of the security is changed. The environment is charged. Declaration is about to be made. It's obvious that this whole thing has been concluded long before now. On INEC portal, Asaritor accreditation data is 0. 0. Accreditation data on Asaritor local government is 0 on INEC portal. And I want to ask Mr. Ogochukwu and the associate prof, from where did they get these figures? From where? If there was no accreditation done at all in the entire local government, from where did they get these results? Because from INEC guidelines and procedure, accreditation was supposed to be done before voting. So where did they get the figures? Where?
I think I learned that there are results already in the IRS.
I am talking about accreditation, not the concocted thing they snap with beavers. Where is the data that they use in accrediting voters in Asa electoral? It's zero on the portal. Zero. I can bring it to you. Look at it. Zero.
Thank you very much. The challenges are the same here in Rivers State. I'm very, very impressed and must say that there are avenues for the, how do we call this kind of this thing? Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. So, collation officer, please let's see the results. Submit your results. Check off.
The only thing they have to package themselves is strike. What kind of thing is this? This is robbery. Before then, not yet. The election didn't take place. Before the SYMFONI. Not even one data. Not even one accredited data is on the portal. And then somebody is going to declare results. Where did they vote? Who accredited those voters? From where did they get the data from? What kind of corruption is this? And then they sit here, they have children that is watching them on national TV. Yes, what kind of wickedness is this? And then they will go to their houses and sleep because they collected dollars.
Since morning, I have been denied of talking. By my prayers, this opportunity has been given. Mr. Returning Officer, sir, before I discuss Ahuda West results, I need Nigerians to hear from us here today that this side of the divide are not mad people. We are true Rivers sons that came to defend democracy, where blood was shed for us to get to where we are today. But it's very unfortunate that few of us have forgotten where we're coming from. I make my heart bleed when I see security agencies. It's very unfortunate. The Commissioner of Police is here. The SS is here. This is a state where 4 commissioners of police were deployed to monitor election. 1 DIG, 1 AIG. Okay, this is not the only work I do. I'm the National Vice President, South of the Nigerian Labour Congress. I do this every time. I can speak before anybody. Please, what is the difference of having 1 commissioner instead of having 4? With taxpayers' money, where you see security agencies with their vehicle, folks with security uniform, police uniform, masterminding, abetting, and colluding with people, Nigerians, to be able to destroy democracy. Madam Ioma, that young man that was with Asita to protect you, why there is serious gunshot in Ahuda, is our candidate of House of Assembly. I want Nigeria to look at that. They were protecting her to ensure of her safety because she's a mother. Not knowing that they were protecting her for the AGA chairman to take her away to hand over the result that she's announcing here now. That young man sat with her. They were serious gunshot for over 4 hours. She could not leave, except for the intervention of DSS. She knows the truth. Their mother. Only for them to come back here to conclude what they had already planned. I don't have what to say. Mr. Returning Officer, people died in Ahuda West. Blood was shed. Police can confirm it, DSS can confirm it. Just about 4 words that we have seemingly election. Every other word, no election took place. But today, before them, as I'm talking to you now, INEC security agencies right now, 2 of them sustained injury in hospital because of Ahoda West. And all we could hear here today is that there were pockets of violence. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. PDP, please. PDP. No, SDP, no. Sit down. SDP, sit down.
My name is Barrister Kingsley Chukwu, the State Collation Agent for the People's Democratic Party. When we commenced collation yesterday, the State Returning Officer spelled out the procedure clearly. And I heard him when he said, what happened at the unit is not our business. What happened at the ward level is not our business. The lecturer from here report, the returning officer, is the LGA collation returning officer. At the unit, he was not there. At the ward, he was not there. And again, this center cannot act on speculation. When he said people died, people died, people died, where is their report? So you cannot act on speculation. And so I plead with you to discountenance all they have said. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm not that you should speak.
I know you will recognize me, sir. Thank you.
Please, just make it very brief.
Okay.
I don't look at it, I denied you.
You know, Mr. Returning Officer,
Yes, sir.
stealing the village drum is very easy. But to beat this drum in peace in the village is the reason why INEC headquarters in Port Harcourt was turned to Akidima this night. The collation of this result was not done in Akidima. So I don't blame the returning officer, because those who were supposed to collate this result are nowhere, anywhere close to this vicinity. Or in Port Harcourt, they've all gone. That I'm aware of, because I went there. Those who collated this result tonight are INEC staff found around. And they were 7 in number. They collated 13 votes. And so, to put the record straight, 13,828 is what the returning officer is declaring. 14,687 is what she is declaring. He is declaring as total accredited voters. On your portal,
13,828.
13,828.
That's what he said.
That's what he said.
That's it.
14,687 is what is on your portal. This is what we've been saying from the beginning of this collation. Now, my friend, the state collation agent of the PDP, said, we are only speculating that people died. These are the pictures of those who died in Ahoda. I printed out the picture of the Director General of his campaign organization in Ahoda West. I gave it to him when I arrived here, but he has misplaced it. These are my party members who died, and there are 3 in number who died. So it's not a speculation. We cannot spill the blood of innocent Nigerians and Rivers people, and then Madam will come here and announce results from where election never took place.
Like I said earlier, I say I'm going to stop you because I said it should be very brief.
Sir,
yeah, please
permit me to speak. That was why my party sent me here. And I believe INEC also sent you here to receive this report. So it is my duty to speak, and it's also your duty to receive what I'm speaking on.
Thank you.
Please, sir, I am only appealing to you that the ground on which cancellation of election can be done is on violence, overvoting, and also voters' intimidation. This are grounds that election can be annulled. And we have presented more than enough facts for you to annul and cancel this election. Please cancel this election.
Can I get an input to you? Let me correct you.
Yes.
If in an LGA crisis erupted, voters were intimidated and election did not take place, would there be results?
There will be no results.
And my own is to collate results. Will I collate any results?
Sorry, come again.
Will there be results for me to collate?
Why? Why would there be results when there was no election?
And today before us is the returning collation officer for that LGA.
But we are telling you that this result was not collated in Akinima.
I did not go there.
Sir, please.
I did not go there.
Sir,
I did not go there.
I agree with you.
I was sent here to collect results from the LGA collation officer.
I agree.
And if the man is not here, if he's not here to give me a result, I will collect anything now.
When we started this collation yesterday, you read out a process.
Yes.
You said collation must start from the unit and move to wards and then later to the LGA.
I'm made to understand that the police unit results are already in the arrest. I know. For River State.
It's not there, sir.
No, I know. I saw it.
What I am saying, if ward collation, when you were speaking, I did not disrupt you. When you were speaking, excuse me. When you were speaking, I did not disrupt you. Are you now INEC? Are you now INEC spokesman? Are you now INEC spokesman? PDP, are you now INEC spokesman? It shows you cannot murder. You cannot murder River people. You cannot murder River people. You murder River people. You cannot murder River people.
Take the microphone from the LPP man, please. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you very much. Thank you. The collation officer, please submit your results.
On the portal is 456,222. A clear case of overvoting of 46,000 something.
Thank you.
And you have not made it known to everybody here and Nigerians.
I just presented the result, please.
The result that you presented.
What the party agents to come and tell?
You know what is this case over? I will talk to you. You know what is this case over?
Chief Barrister Kingsley Chukwu. I'm the state collection agent for PDP, the People's Democratic Party. First, we must thank God. We dedicate the victory to God Almighty for the success of this election. And the governor-elect, SYMFONI, we believe him being a hard-working man, a disciplined man, that he will deliver the dividend of democracy to Rivers people. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The account numbers to Nigerians, where some persons seated here with us today collected money and promised to do the right thing and did not do. And but I was cautioned to exercise some restraint. That was why I did not go ahead to call out those account details and to Nigerians and Rivers people. However, in the coming days, our party leaders will announce the next step of actions for our party. But as a party, as a political party, we are rejecting that result. It does not in any way reflect the collective wish of Rivers people. That was a written report handed down to INEC and the returning officer to announce. As you can see, the returning officer is always in a hurry to announce this result, has always been in a hurry to announce the result. Despite the plethora of evidence that we put before him, he never attended to anyone or admitted anyone as an evidence. Rather, what he was interested in is just the report from the LGA. 2 local government results was collated right here in INEC headquarters, namely Asari Toru and Ahoda West. Is this supposed to be so? Collation was supposed to be done at the unit, at the wards, and later the local government headquarters. And then for onward transmission from ECAD at the state headquarters. But here what we witnessed that everything was done here at INEC headquarters.
So I can't sign that kind of result. That was not a result. It does not in any way reflect what happened on the field. It does not. It falls short. It falls below the expectation of Rivers people. But let me say this: those who claim they've won, did they really win the trust of Rivers people? Did they really win the love of Rivers people, or their frustration? So let me say this for the final time, that we will, in everything, with everything that we have, contest these results. And that will be announced by our party leaders in the next days.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.